Welcome to a new video. Question number 1. Who is the first person to reach Mount Everest? Correct answer C. Tenzing Norgay. Question number 2. Which one of the following is not an astronomical object? Correct answer is B. Brittle star. Question number 3. Solar energy is due to. Correct answer A. Nuclear fusion. Question number 4. Who is the called most intelligent in the world? Correct answer is the Hong Kong. Question number 5. The rand is the currency of which country? Correct answer is D. South Africa. Question number 6. Dragon is the national symbol of which country? Correct answer is the Bhutan. Question number 7. World's largest temple is located which country? Correct answer is A. Cambodia. Question number 8. Which country is no trees in the world? Correct answer B. Qatar. Question number 9. The headquarters of the European Parliament is located in. Correct answer D. France. Question number 10. Egypt connects the two continents. Correct answer is Asia and Africa. Question number 11. Which country gifted the Statue of the Liberty to the United States? Correct answer is C. France. Question number 12. What is the capital city of Spain? Correct answer B. Madrid. Question number 13. Which country has the largest population in the world? Correct answer is D. India. Question number 14. The World Bank is founded in the year. Correct answer is A. 1944. Question number 15. Where are the Great Pyramid of Giza located? Answer the question.